Okay guys, so I'm on quarantine and as you can tell, I am pretty bored, so even changing, no, I mean even applying a screen protector to this Google Pixel seems like a cool, fun idea. So first things first, removing the case of this phone, and then in this package I actually have the screen protector. Okay, so for the screen protector, I went with this Pure Gear high definition tempered glass screen protector, but I'm not really sure if it's tempered glass because last time I heard about this, it was actually plastic, but who knows. So this is for the Google Pixel 3a XL. I'm not sure if you can see it because my camera seems to be acting pretty blurry right now. So yeah, so we're just going to take it out of its casing and review the things that we have. Okay, here is what we got on the tray. So we got this application tray, which is supposed to actually make the process easier. Okay, so it is actual glass, so open for instructions. So far, okay, so here we have our instructions. So number one, we need to remove the case or existing screen protector from the device before starting installation. And of course, we actually need to clean it with an alcohol wipe, followed by our microfiber cloth. Now, with this cleaning cloth. So this is me applying the alcohol over the phone. And guys, this is also cleaning the phone because of the COVID-19. We don't want to keep it dirty or have it dirty. So I guess this actually serves for a multi-function without even having to, So we just need to wipe it down. Next, it's going to be followed by our cleaning cloth. Oh, and I'm also trying not to speed up, edit the video. Well, not that I ever edit them, but I'm trying not to do anything different so that y'all guys can clearly see what I'm doing. So the screen actually looks pretty clean now. So now let's go back to our instructions. By the way, it has to be super duper clean. Next, according to instructions, I also need to clean the dust or debris with this dust removing sticker. So I guess this should be pretty cool. As soon as I actually get this thing out with one hand, because I'm recording with the other. So I'm pretty much doing my job here. I think this probably defeats the stores because this is such a good quality. Following the instructions, I actually follow the instructions, so now we could see that this is pretty clean. Okay, the next one, it says to lift tab A. Well, locate tab B while holding tab A, so okay, wait, what? So locate tab B while holding tab A firmly. Peel off the protective film using tab B from the discard film. So I need to lift this up, or first I need to. Well, the phone's already inside, so I'm just going to put my phone inside this. So this is the top, and here's the top of my Google Pixel. So this actually fits perfectly, so now all I have to do is just peel. Okay, so I already peeled off the thing. So now, okay, tab B, so now slowly pull tab A over the device and align the indentation on the bottom of the tray. So I have to align this green tab over here. And that should be alright, though this does not seem like the best quality. Secure the screen protector by sliding the finger from top to bottom to spread the adhesive. So, sliding my finger top to bottom. Well, I'm going to remove these particles that are prone to showing. Okay, so according to this was actually bubble free. So taking it out, we do have our installed screen protector, but we do have bubbles on the screen. So it shouldn't be that noticeable. So here is our installed screen protector already in action. Okay, so now the air bubbles were actually pretty easy to remove, since all I need to do was just like press hard on them, because you know it's like burning. So just press hard on them, not hard enough to actually break the whole screen. And once you're done, this is actually your final result. Like, guys, well, I'm going to, yeah, I'm so used to my Galaxy. So yeah, like there's like literally no air gaps. So I guess that this was actually a pretty good tutorial. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below if somebody is actually watching. Comment down below how cool was this, or like did you think it was going to work. So thank you guys for watching.